Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you some skincare tips for teens. Skincare is very important for your health and your confidence, especially when you're going through hormonal changes and dealing with acne, oiliness, dryness, or sensitivity. I know how frustrating it can be to have skin problems, because I've been there too. That's why I want to help you take care of your skin at any age and achieve a beautiful and natural glow. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful and leave me a comment below with your skincare questions or suggestions. I love hearing from you guys. Now, let's get into the video. The first thing you need to know is that your skin type may change over time, depending on your hormones, your environment, your diet, and your lifestyle. So, you need to pay attention to your skin and how it reacts to different products and ingredients. The best way to do that is to keep a simple and consistent skincare routine that you can follow every day. A basic skincare routine consists of 3 steps: cleansing, moisturizing, and sun protection. Let me explain each step and give you some product recommendations that I personally use and love. Step 1. Cleansing. Cleansing is the most important step of your skincare routine because it removes dirt, oil, makeup, and bacteria from your skin. You should cleanse your skin twice a day, in the morning and at night, using a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type. Avoid using harsh soaps, scrubs, or wipes that can irritate your skin or strip away its natural oils. Also, avoid using hot water, as it can dry out your skin. Use lukewarm water instead and pat your skin dry with a soft towel. One of my favorite cleansers is the CeraVe Foaming Cleanser. It's a dermatologist-recommended cleanser that is suitable for normal to oily skin. It contains ceramides, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid, which are ingredients that help restore the skin barrier, reduce inflammation, and hydrate the skin. It also has a pH balance formula that doesn't disrupt the skin's natural acidity. It's very gentle and effective, and it leaves my skin feeling clean and refreshed. Step 2. Moisturizing. Moisturizing is the next step of your skincare routine, and it's essential for all skin types, even if you have oily or acne-prone skin. Moisturizing helps to hydrate your skin, lock in moisture, and prevent water loss. It also helps to soothe your skin, reduce redness, and improve your skin texture and tone. You should moisturize your skin twice a day after cleansing, using a moisturizer that suits your skin type. Avoid using heavy or greasy creams that can clog your pores or cause breakouts. Use a lightweight or gel-based moisturizer instead, and apply it to your face and neck in gentle upward motions. One of my favorite moisturizers is the Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Oat Gel Moisturizer. It's a hypoallergenic and fragrance-free moisturizer that is suitable for sensitive skin. It contains oat, which is a natural ingredient that helps calm and nourish the skin. It also contains feverfew, which is a plant extract that helps reduce inflammation and irritation. It has a gel texture that absorbs quickly and feels cooling and refreshing on the skin. It's very hydrating and soothing, and it leaves my skin feeling soft and smooth. Step 3. Sun protection. Sun protection is the last and most important step of your skincare routine, and it's something that you should never skip, no matter what. Sun protection helps to shield your skin from the harmful UV rays of the sun, which can cause sunburn, premature aging, hyperpigmentation, and skin cancer. You should apply sunscreen every day, even if it's cloudy or rainy, using a sunscreen that has at least SPF 30 and broad spectrum protection. Reapply your sunscreen every 2 hours, or more often if you sweat or swim. Avoid using sunscreens that have alcohol, fragrance, or oxybenzone, as they can irritate your skin or harm the environment. Use a mineral-based sunscreen instead that contains zinc oxide or titanium dioxide, as they are safer and more gentle for your skin. One of my favorite sunscreens is the Supergoop! Encene Sunscreen. It's a vegan and cruelty-free sunscreen that is suitable for all skin types and tones. It contains red algae, frankincense, and meadowfoam seed oil, which are ingredients that help protect, hydrate, and smooth the skin. It has a clear and weightless texture that glides on easily and feels invisible on the skin. It's also oil-free, non-comedogenic, and water-resistant, and it leaves my skin with a velvety finish. And that's it. That's my simple and effective skincare routine for teens. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Remember, skincare is not only about the products you use, but also about the habits you have. So, make sure you drink plenty of water, eat a balanced diet, get enough sleep, and avoid stress as much as possible. These are all factors that can affect your skin, health, and appearance. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips and tricks. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok for more fun and interactive content. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.